Ah, the rainforest of the jungle. Everything is all trees, but here the trees are cut down into pieces and it's falling for no reason. I don't know how it's going to, but it was an accident. And there's those leaves, those great little leaves, and those green little ball or eggs. Here I see is the lake. The lake is where it used to be, just like as always. The rainforest, the chirps, birds are chirping. This is what the Houston nature would look like. If I have expected this way, this must be a documentary nature of an actual BBC documentary, or National Geography, or Discovery Channel, or the other educational stuff, or maybe PBS. All of this monstrosities of trees, lives of all type of forests that you ever have been coming, that you've never seen this before. And it was just like walking. Always walk while you still can. Look at that. It's the wood. It's the flowers. It's everything. Everything across. Everything you see. All the leaves. And what are these things? What are these? Flowers? Eggs? Eyeballs? No. No, it's not. Look at this lake. My. What is happening right now? Wait. Why is everything all trashed up? It's supposed to be clean. Look at this tree. It's breaking down. Oh my god. Folks, you see this? This is the tree. What are those green things? Slimes? It's like something what I do. Oh my gosh. And I see the rocks and other flower plants of plantations. So much things to be useful. Let's move on. As you can see, I'm trying to look for all of the forest. We're in the middle of nowhere, while Aryan and I are trying to find something. Well, we should probably get out of here before something might bad happen. That's, well, I don't know, but it's okay. Hey, what happened to the orange one? Why is it like that? Is it that covered? Is it dangerous for alligators? And look at this leaves. Look at this leaves. I think it's rotten. Not Thanksgiving anymore. It's almost like spring. And what the heck is that? Is that a tire? A tire? What is this? People forgot to pick them all up because the lake needs to be cleaned. And look at its trees. More leaves. More stuff. More everything. This is why we ever call in Houston nature. Houston nature from all type of stuff. What I was about to say is about documentaries and stuff. And by the way, I have to walk all the way. I don't know how long will it take to be matter, but I'm most sure I have to escape this thing out of this jungle, forests, and others. I'll be damned. Wow. Now I'm here in the extended, more extra exclusive, continuous forests. There's this long stick upon down. And look at that. It's a plant. Really look like an actual plant of a leaf. And this one right there is a tree, like leaves, more. And I see another one. And there's this tree. The tree. I think no flowers then. Oh wait, I see flowers. There it is. I have to walk. Okay. There are the flowers. Yellow sunflowers. I see some sunflowers there. And everywhere. But it's just only here. Good thing I found it. Let's see if there's anything else nearby. I think this must be like I have to go truck travel to check out all of the natures in Houston. So I mean, what is this all about? Wait, what happened there? What? What the heck is this? The bridge is falling down? Well, looks like it's, well, I don't know. It's the lake. Where's the blue? It's tan color. It's clear. But the lake, that tasted really disgusting. And what do we have here? A purple lavender flower. Check this out. A purple lavender flower is way beautiful. Like as you can see, it is much nice to see. Well, yes, it was. It really was. Oh dear God, where are we right now? Looks like, what are we doing in here now? I see the leaves. We're just walking and walking and walking. I hear the water. Rainforest. It's what it is. I have to check. Okay, looks like we made it. But I think we forgot something. There's a path? Oh no, wait. It's along. You know what? I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, screw it. I have to get out of this forest. It freaks me out. Oh no. There's no way out. There's no way out. There's no way out. The trees. The logs falling off. Why would Houston ever do that? It's really out there, man. It's... Oh. Wait. Am I at the park or something? Am I at the bridge? Are those... like... Well... Huh. That's weird. I just escaped. I just escaped. Holy crap, I just escaped. Alright. I made it. I finally made it out. Am I at the park or something? Let me check. Let me check. I have to check if I see you at the park. Or something. Or maybe I see flowers. I see sunflowers. Hey little fella, you're a cute sunflower. And you're a cute sunflower too. Wait, people are playing football. I didn't know that. Am I at the park? Oh wait, I am at the park. Oh, silly me. Well, that's Houston nature, all right. Houston nature. Hey everyone, this is Armand Joey here, and thanks for watching this video from CT83. Press a like, put on a comment, click to subscribe, and turn on notification. You can also follow me on social medias like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, DeviantArt, and visit the CT83 website for more contents about it. Link in the description below.